So I'm excited to see all of this. This is the first pitch that I've ever been to. My wife and daughter are in it, so I'm very excited for them. And I'm just curious to see what the other students bring to it also.
I mean, I think I'm just looking forward to hearing all of the businesses. A bunch of them I know personally. I'm classmates with them. I've kind of seen their businesses grow from an idea all the way into something that can make money. So I'm really looking forward to hearing what they all have to say.
Matteen.